something once in a lifetime where we can have a partnership like this. And I think what made it happen is actually the three of us, the three companies, have a wish to make a change for the planet.
So AVL developed a silicon carbide-based power electronics for our testing applications, and we found out that the requirements of marine, like efficiency and compactness, fits excellent to the stacks we developed.
And as we start to move the marine industry more toward these silicon carbide solutions provided by DEIF ultimately, those savings will then help generate the next generation of technology, because we'll continue to learn from that and push even further.
The need is coming here from the new energy sources, storage, trying to optimize, and they all need energy conversion. And it's going fast now. We didn't know that from beginning. This was more a technology talk, but what kept us together was saying, yes, but we need to find a way to make this happen in the end. And we could do it together because AVL have a lot of knowledge in power stacks, and we figured also out that Wolfspeed would always be, as we see it, and hopefully continue to be the leader in the power components. And this is what really formed this partnership here.
The biggest needs, let's say sustainable solutions, are being implemented in the maritime industry, like fuel cells, battery energy storage systems. They all call for a DC grid solution, basically. And that's where we really need to be more efficient.
We started to develop approximately 7 years ago, and we're in a very high power range active. So we needed really high powerful silicon carbide. So that's why we joined Wolfspeed, and we had the chance to give some requirements to Wolfspeed, and together we developed the power electronics based on engineering samples.
When these innovators come together, that's when I think the really special stuff happens, right? Irvin was working on some of our very early prototype, really high performance silicon carbide modules. He was working on what I would call, extreme efficiency from converter technology. And we were able to work together and make that happen. And now when the three of us come together, that's when I think you're going to see just a massive change in the efficiencies that we can put into the marine systems.
I'm really super proud about where we have, in 11 months, where we are today.
11 months since I started this and developed now a good solution. So we're just now seeing that this is a partner we can go further with.
What is interesting that Wolfspeed basically pushing the boundaries on the material technology. AVL is engineering, and DEIF, of course, has the know-how from marine, so it's a perfect triangle.
We're ready to go today, but I know all three of our plans are to continue to drive an aggressive plan towards better, always getting better.